Yawning when we're tired is more than just a sign of fatigue. It's our body's way of signaling a need for oxygen and cooling down the brain. When we yawn, we take in a deep breath, which increases oxygen levels and helps regulate our body temperature. Interestingly, yawning is contagious. Seeing someone yawn can trigger the same response in us, possibly as a way to synchronize group behavior. Plus, it's not just humans. Many animals yawn too, suggesting it's an ancient instinct. So the next time you find yourself yawning, remember, it's your body's clever way of keeping you alert and ready for action.